Hey guys, welcome to Deals with Amazon. Are you looking for the top best 5 beauty premium face serum in 2023? I found some top best 5 beauty premium face serum in 2023 for you. Number 1, Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 8% AHA Gel. About this item: exfoliant duo. Elevate your exfoliation routine with this convenient set. Includes both BHA, salicylic acid, and AHA, glycolic acid, products to gently remove dead skin cells and hydrate, brighten and smooth. Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant helps unclog and diminish enlarged pores, exfoliate dead skin cells, smooth wrinkles and brighten skin tone, combats redness, wrinkles, aging and blackheads, refine and even. Paula's Choice 8% AHA gel exfoliant with glycolic acid, chamomile, and green tea can help minimize the look of discolorations and age spots, and with consistent use, can increase skin's firmness. Beauty smarter, not harder. Whether your skin is dry, oily, combination, aging, acne, or blemish prone, sensitive or dull, we've got a skincare solution for you. The search for amazing skincare ends here. Paula's Choice Skincare makes products that work. No fragrance, no parabens, no fluff. Just effective, science-backed formulas that target any concern from wrinkles to breakout. Number 2, Sunday Riley C.E.O. 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Description: C.E.O. 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum delivers fresh, ultra-stable vitamin C into the skin to dramatically improve the look of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations, while delivering an antioxidant-rich glow. Benefits: skin looks glowing, firmer, plumper, and illuminated. Youthful skin bounce and even tone are restored. Suggested use after cleansing. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to dry skin after other treatments. Follow with Number 3, Dermalogica Biolumin-C Serum. Description: high-performance serum enhances skin's natural defense system to brighten, firm, and help dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C works to fight the appearance of skin aging before it starts. Benefits: exfoliates and reduces unbalanced pigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Prevents and corrects free radical damage. Suggested use: dispense a full dropper and smooth over cleansed face and neck morning and night after toner, and before moisturizer. Find a professional. Not sure what product is right for you? Find a beauty professional. Number 3, Dermalogica Biolumin-C Serum. Description: high-performance serum enhances skin's natural defense system to brighten, firm, and help dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C works to fight the appearance of skin aging before it starts. Benefits: exfoliates and reduces unbalanced pigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Prevents and corrects free radical damage. Suggested use: dispense a full dropper and smooth over cleansed face and neck morning and night after toner, and before moisturizer. Find a professional. Not sure what product is right for you? Find a beauty professional near you. Number 5, COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence 3.38 fl.oz. About this item: the real snail essence, formulated with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate. This essence repairs and rejuvenates the skin from dryness and aging. It improves skin vitality by reducing dullness and soothing dehydrated skin. Simple yet effective lightweight essence. A lightweight essence which fastly absorbs into the skin and gives you a natural and healthy glow. Guarantees long-lasting hydration without heavy feeling on the skin. Key ingredient: snail secretion filtrate contains mucin, an effective ingredient for enhanced moisturization. It instantly soothes damaged skin and delivers moisture deep into your skin. Perfect for dehydrated and damaged skin. No snails are harmed. Snail mucin is obtained in a safe and environmentally friendly way in a favored environment of snails, and then processed as a cosmetic material. 100% natural, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested. COSRX standards. All COSRX products are formulated with skin-friendly ingredients that alleviate irritated skin. Hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, animal testing free, parabens free, sulfates free, phthalates free. Please inform that the expiration date on the product is written in the South Korean format, which goes by year month. Watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and commenting below. Check out the description for fine